beauties and bows. Welcome to Pandi's Beauty and Beyond. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family, welcome back. So, where have I been? If you have been wondering why I went ghost for a whole week, child, let me tell you, the flu had me in a whole chokehold, y'all. I'm talking about could not get out of bed, could not film, could not do nothing. But you know what? I had to listen to my body, and that is what I want to talk to you all about today. The importance of rest when your body is telling you to slow down. I felt so guilty about missing content, missing my whole workout routine, missing connecting with you all. But then I had to remind myself, how can I pour into others if my cup is empty? So I rested, I hydrated, I took my vitamins, I stayed in prayer, and I let my body heal. And honestly, that was the best thing that I could have done for myself. And now, today, I'm ready to start moving my body again. Now, I'm not about to go crazy. This is definitely going to be gentle. This is all about rebuilding my energy, not depleting it. So if you are recovering from being sick or you just need some motivation to get back into your routine, grab yourself some water and let's do this together. We're simply going to start with some gentle stretches, just waking up the body, reminding it what movement feels like, rolling those shoulders back, reaching up to the sky, and taking deep breaths. How are you all feeling? Remember, if you need to modify or take a break, do that. This is your journey. You know what I learned this week? I learned that momentum is not about being perfect every single day. It's about showing up for yourself when you can, how you can. Some days that looks like a full workout. Some days that looks like a 5-minute stretch. And some days that looks like staying in bed and letting your body heal. And all of those things are valid. All of those things are self-care. So if you were like me and was beating yourself up about falling off track, I want you to stop that right now. You're doing the best you can with what you have, and that is enough. Now, quick life update. I'm feeling so much better, y'all. Even though I'm not quite at 100%, my energy is coming back. My voice is almost all the way back, can you tell? I'm not my usual bubbly, chipper self, but I'm just grateful to be on the other side of this. I've got some amazing content coming in the weeks to come, and I'm going to be getting back into my regular schedule, and I cannot wait to reconnect with all of you all. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, or as I like to say, blow dry on the like button for your girl. Subscribe if you're not already a part of the chat family, and drop a comment letting me know. Have you been recovering from being sick? How are you showing up for yourself today? Remember, chat family, self-care is not selfish. It is necessary. You all continue to stay safe out there. Continue to stay encouraged. Stay blessed and don't stress. And I will most definitely see you all in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout motivation and the quick lifestyle update. And if you are catching this video with the watch party premiere, shout out to you and friends with super channels. If you would like to be featured in the watch party premiere, get on over to friends with excuse me. Get on over to Friends with Super Channel's YouTube channel. That was a tongue twister. And subscribe. Double tap on the notification bell. Catch up with her and connect with her on Instagram so that you too can be featured every Tuesday in the Watch Party premiere. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, y'all. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's workout video. It is the Monday after a week of the flu. As you can hear, I'm still a bit congested, but the show must go on. I have to continue doing my work, y'all. I'm on a health and wellness journey. I'm on a weight loss journey, and I am determined to hit my goals. So thank y'all for tuning in. Shout out to Friends with Watch Party Premiere for tuning in and supporting your girl. And shout out to all of you all who are Team Health and Wellness this November. Have a blessed night, everyone, and thanks for watching. Double tap that notification bell so you can stay in the loop of when new content is added. If you enjoy self-care, positive, uplifting content, you're in the building. Peace, y'all.